On Secure, it is proven that almost 30% of website traffic are non-human, and most of this traffic are all bots, fake click fraud, and lot more. And that's the reason why William, who owns an e-commerce store, goes to his analytics, found out that he's getting over 30,000 visitors every single month, but there's no sale. All right, most of this traffic are all bots, fake clicks, and click fraud. All right, even on your website blog, I know you are experiencing such. Even when you get a lot of traffic to your blog website, you find out that the ad network you are monetized with is not actually increasing. All right, not only that, most people who are running advertisement on Facebook, on Google Ad, YouTube Ad, and lots more are also experiencing this. So in this particular video, I have a solution for that. I have this particular traffic shield platform that's going to simply actually filter your traffic to make sure that the only people that are going to be visiting your website are human beings, all right, which is going to simply help you get real organic traffic, real conversion, and also real visitors without having to bother yourself about both. And in this very video, I'm going to simply show you how this particular platform works, and this is 100% legitimate because you're going to simply be featuring your website from both. You're going to simply be featuring your website from invalid traffic, from VPN that scrape your content, so that you can be able to secure your website, secure your online business, and also build something that stays in the long run. All right, you make sure you watch this video down to the very end, because at the end part of this very video, you're going to simply be able to learn how to filter your blog traffic, filter your website traffic, your e-commerce stores traffic, and lots more, to be able to get real human being to visit your website from any location you want them to come from. If you want your traffic to come from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, UK, and lots more, you can simply go ahead and set it up on this very website, so that only those people from those regions are going to simply be able to access your website. All right, important disclaimer before we get started: this particular strategy is meant to protect your website from invalid click, invalid traffic. This is not meant to violate any website policy or any ad network policy. All right, because you're going to simply be following the ethical method of protecting your website with a simple tool, a traffic shield platform. All right, so long as you have a website, no matter the type of website you're talking about, this is actually going to simply work for you, whether you're monetized or not. This is also going to simply work for you. All right, for you to get started with this, just go ahead and click the link in the video description. Then it's going to simply take you to this very website right here. Then the first link, that is the one you're going to simply click. This is it right here. Then this is going to simply take you to the traffic shield platform that is going to simply help you with this. All right, and all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and create your account. Okay, and go ahead and click on this create account button right here. You add your email, you add your password, you add the same password right here. Then add your Telegram username or your WhatsApp or Twitch. Okay, so anyone you have, just go ahead and add that. Okay, when you add that, then you can add your experience. Maybe you tell them that you're a beginner. All right, then you're going to simply go ahead and click on this, select the type of website you run. Okay, so these are the categories right here. Just go ahead and select the one you want. Okay, when you add that, go ahead and click on this accept terms and condition. You're not a robot, and this is going to simply help you. Click on this create account. Okay, when your account is created, they're going to simply send you an email to verify your account. When your account is verified, then go ahead and log into your account. When you log into your account, this is what you're going to simply see right here. You're going to see right here we have the news section. This news section is their Telegram community, and this is their Telegram channel. You can see right here we have the blog section right here. So if you scroll down right, you're going to see we have the white paper page. We have flows, we have filter list, we have lots of features right here. And if you come over to this section that says domain, if you click on this domain section right here, this domain is where you can simply add website or landing page you want to protect. Okay, you can simply go ahead and bind your domain with this very platform, or you go ahead and click on this buy new domain if you don't have a domain already. So if you want to add your URL, you can simply go ahead and add your URL from this very section right here. Then click on the add button, and this is going to simply be added for you. Okay, and if you don't have URL, you can simply go ahead and buy yourself a new URL from this very platform. This platform is going to be your server. You have statistics. If you click on these statistics, this is where you're going to simply see real-time clicks and bot data. All right, so in this statistics section right here, this is where you're going to simply see all the traffic that are coming, the ones from bot, the one from human, and all the work that this particular platform is shielding for you on your website. Okay, so we have the finance and subscription. So because this particular platform is helping to protect your website from fake traffic, fake bots, they have their servers that are running. All right, so they use money to maintain all of these servers. Okay, so that's why this particular service is not being offered free, but it is very much affordable. The best part is that if you come over to this very website here, which is minjohnfrancis.com, and if you click on this particular post right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you're gonna see here with this promo code right here, you're gonna simply get this particular tool very much affordable. All right, because they are running on servers and they have other services they pay for. That is why this particular platform is not being offered free, but it is very much affordable. On this platform, you can simply subscribe with USDT, and the premium package costs just $49. All right, and with my promo code, you're gonna simply be getting more discount if you use that promo code, which you can see right here. All right. And the most interesting part is that even while you're protecting your website from fake bots, from invalid traffic and all of that, you can actually recommend this particular website to other people that owns website that want to protect their website as well. Okay, and you earn revenue. And how do you do that? If you head about to this section right here that says referral, if you click on it, it's going to simply give you a unique referral link they can actually use to refer people. Okay, when you copy this, then share it with your friend, and when your friend subscribe on this to protect his or her own website, you're going to simply get a commission for doing that. Okay, and when you reach a certain amount of threshold, you can simply go ahead and click on the button right here to get your money out. All right, and that's basically how it works. So having done all of this, you might be asking yourself, how do I set this up? How do I do this? How do I go about this? So basically, the easiest part of this is to simply head over to the flow section. All right, so when your account is created, if you want to start protecting your website from fake visitors and all of that, for instance, you're running a campaign on Facebook, this is going to simply protect it from fake visitors. All right, and if both are visiting your website, they're not going to see your content. Okay, if real human beings are visiting your website, they will see your content and your store. That's basically how this particular platform works, and it's a good technology that's going to simply filter your traffic and let you get the higher conversion you need for your business, for your stores, for your blog, and lots more. All right, so how does it work? So if you come over to this section right here that says flows, just click on this create flow. All right, you have to simply go ahead and add your flow name. Let's say one add blog right here. We add blog, and when you come over to this section, you have to simply select add your white page. Okay, so your white page is a place where you send this bot traffic to. You have to simply create a white page by coming onto this very section right here that says create a white page. Okay, so AI will now create the white page for you. All right, when you add the white page, then you're going to simply select what you want this to do. All right, whether you want to go with the loading or redirect. Okay, so if you want to go with the loading, this will continue to load when the bot traffic click. All right, but when real human being click, it is going to simply take them to your real website. Okay, and if you want to go to redirect, you can redirect them to another page. Okay, maybe if you don't want them to visit this very page right here, which is this blog post, you can actually go ahead and send them to your home page. You can actually go ahead and send them to your home page, which is this section right here. So that's basically how to set this up. And if you come over to this section, you can see right here we have just the redirect and the loading, and you have to simply add your offer page right here. Okay, so this offer page is the real page that real human are being sent to. All right, for instance, if I'm promoting one of my blog posts, all right, I want real human being to interact with that blog post. Okay, that is going to simply be my offer page. Okay, that blog post is my offer page. But if I don't want both traffic to visit that same blog post, I can simply tell them to visit only the home page of my blog. All right, and if you come over to this section, you're going to simply go ahead and add your offer page right here. Right, so the white page is this, where I want the bot to go to, this very page, and let's say the offer page is this very link right here. And when I'm done with that, I have to simply click on the continue button. All right, and you're going to simply select the number of click for one IP per day. All right, so if you come over to this section, you're going to see the number of click before filtering. You can simply set it up right here. Okay, you can simply say I want all countries to visit my website. You can see 252 has been selected already. If you don't want all of these countries to be able to visit your website, you can actually go ahead and select specific ones. So if you want to select just few, let's say you want to select only people from United States, this has been selected. Then I select another country, let's say from UK, from United Kingdom. Then I select from another country right here, let's say from, all right, so you're going to see Canada right here. Okay, let's say Canada. Okay, so if you select this and save it, that's basically how it's going to simply be for your domain and all of that. Okay, so if you select that, you have to simply scroll down a little bit. After selecting that, click on the save button. All right, you can see why the data has been saved. And for the status right here, you're going to simply see the status is paused. You're going to simply go ahead and click on this activate right here to activate it and save it. So that's basically how to set up your flow for your website and all of that. Okay, so whenever you want, you can simply go ahead and pause it. Whenever you want, you can simply go ahead and activate it back. This is also going to simply help you filter your traffic and get the real people to visit your website. And this is highly compliant with any ad network you're working with. It is compliant with ad campaign platforms like AdSense, Google Ads, Facebook Ads. This is not a trick. It is just a way of protecting your website and lots more. So you can actually get real human traffic And the best part is that this particular website is very much affordable. The best part is that after subscribing to this very platform, they can actually help you set this up from your own account. Okay, just click on this. You're going to simply see more information about this very platform, or you can simply contact their customer service right here, their Telegram, WhatsApp, and they're going to simply set this up for you. So if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this video channel, and turn on the bell notification icon. You can simply go ahead and click the link in the video description to get started. See you in the next one.